Hey guys, guess who it is? Yep, it's me, Fina. Welcome to Wifey Wednesdays. Yes, I know I have not done a video in a very long time. And for those who are new and don't know about my videos, I used to come on here on Wednesdays and try and make a project and just do some stuff, some talking, and I haven't done it in a long time. I work so much and it's just hard for me, so I'm sorry that I've been gone so long and I've just disappeared. But I'm here today because we received this box from Alicia, and I don't know her last name, and anyway, her links to whatever she has will be down below. Wifey will put it. But yes, I did peek inside and I did see all the goodies you sent, and I think that was very nice of you. So this is the card that she sent. Lily and Wifey, open me before peeking in the box. And that is exactly what we did. Although I really wanted to peek first because I saw yummies in here, but I didn't cheat. Cute card. I love this card. I'm not gonna open it because what she wrote in here is for me and Wifey and it's private, but this is a really nice card. Thank you so much. She also sent a Starbucks gift card, and I think this is really cute. After it's used, we will keep this because it's just cute. I mean, it's a gift card and it's a bunny. It's not like a card, a square. Okay, I love it. Thank you. And I am a coffee fiend. I love coffee. So this right here, thank you so much, Alicia. All right, so now in the box, we got all this cute grass. Is that what you call it? Grass paper? Okay. She sent this bag. Hold on. Let's see if I can open that. And it has a ribbon that my wife's been wanting, and she sent it. Pretty cool. She likes butterflies. She loves butterflies, actually. And we got some sweet tarts. They have chicks, ducks, and bunnies. Yummy. Yes, I have a very big sweet tooth. Also, like, it's too much candy. I shouldn't be eating it, but I love it. So we got a carrot bag shape with some Hershey's in there, but they're like M&Ms. We got a bunny with a truffle egg. Yummy. Oh my god, I love these things. So delicious. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I'm gonna eat that whole bag by myself. I'm not sharing. This is yummy. Then we got some hair ties. Very nice. We got some Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats. I love to put my Kit Kats in the freezer. Does anybody else do that? Because I do. Aw, that's cute. Okay, then we have a straw with a pinwheel. And I'm a big kid. I love anything that is like silly like this and cute and little gadgets. I love it. I said, you're not getting the straws, I'm keeping them. Then we got Starbursts. Also, I love Starbursts. They're very good. With a bunny. Very cute. Then we have, me and my wife, we love these things. And then watermelon and strawberry are one of our two favorite flavors that we love of these things. I love it. Thank you so much. I can't wait. I want both of them, but I was like, okay, I'll let you have one. So gotta give her one. I love Reese's. Now, I don't like Reese's, the Reese's peanut butter cups. I don't know why. I'm not really a fan of those, but I love these. The ones that are like M&Ms. I love these things. I could put like half a bag of this in my mouth. I love these. Then we have another bunny with, I've never tasted these. I'm not even gonna lie. So I don't know how they taste. So we have 2 of those in here. They look interesting though. They look very interesting. Let's see how that tastes. I love these kind of cookies. I have a unicorn one and something else. So this is like my 3rd one. But these things, oh my god, I can't just take a piece. I have to eat the whole thing. Very cute. Thank you so much, Alicia. Then we have some little pieces that are loose in here. More Kit Kats. These are Hershey eggs. These ones are, what's this? The Reese's Buttercup thingies. We have, oh, I love dark chocolate. And guess what? It'll be mine because she don't like dark chocolate. So I don't have to share that. Then we have some Easter eggs with some of the Hershey Nuggets. Yummy. Ooh, Oreo egg. I've never tried this either. Not gonna lie. So that's exciting to see that. A pecan delight. I can't wait to dig into this because and it's white chocolate. That's my favorite chocolate, is white chocolate. This is awesome. I can't wait to try this. Then we got a Easter bunny crazy straw. These things remind me of when I was a little kid. The crazy straws. Oh, I used to love those things. This is adorable. Then we have some little stickers. I don't know if this was on anything. If it was just laying in here. I'm sorry. I don't know where it went. Maybe on here somewhere. I'm not sure. Probably on here, I guess. I don't know. I'm sorry. Then we got, this is adorable. So cute. A little egg. Has like a little pocket in here. Very cute. This is adorable. She made like a little file folder and stuffed some stuff in there. We got some, this is really pretty. I really like this. I don't think I'm gonna give this back to Wifey. I think I'm gonna keep this. I like this. This is really pretty. And this is some tissues with a little chickie on it. Oh no, that's, yeah, they had little chickies on it. Very cute. We have some more Starbursts. Yummy. And a Bunny Crisp chocolate. Very, very yummy. And some more loose stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just can't wait to dig into all this. Thank you so much, Alicia. That was very, very thoughtful of you. Very nice of you to do that. Put a big smile on my face after my crazy day of work yesterday. My day was so hectic. My day was really hectic. I was in so much pain and tired, and then when Wifey came home with this, and I was just like, what? For me too? Oh, that was very nice of her. It just put a big smile on my face. I really, really, really appreciate it. Because I have a sweet tooth and a half. So, you know, I've been watching videos of like challenges and stuff like that, and what do you guys think? I was thinking maybe I would I'm gonna try to come back to Wifey Wednesdays. I don't want to make any promises because I know a few times I said it and I didn't do it. It's very hard, but we'll do this. Whenever I can do a Wifey Wednesday, I will do it. Okay, I will try a lot harder to try and get it done. So I was thinking of doing my own challenge. Not sure of what I really want to do yet, but I was thinking, like, being that I have a sweet tooth, I also have a salty tooth, so I can never eat something sweet and then not end it with something salty. And then if I'm in the mood for something salty, I have to end it with something sweet. I've been like that since a kid. I don't know, but I was thinking of giving like a gift card to a crafting store or just some cash or something like that. I'll think of a nice giveaway to do for you guys, and all you guys have to do, if you agree to this and you want to participate, you guys know that Wifey has a PO box. I was thinking maybe you guys can send in excuse me, something salty and something sweet, and then you know, at the end of the challenge, maybe I'll pick 2 winners. Maybe we'll do 2 winners. We'll see. Okay, all the details would be you know, let known by her. I guess you'll put it down in the description or wherever on Instagram, however she does it. But you guys let me know in the comments if, you know, you guys are interested in doing so. And again, I apologize for disappearing for so long, but I am gonna try to make it back. You guys have always been great and supportive, and I love the fact that you guys are always so supportive of my wife, because she loves what she does, and you guys make her day with all the comments, and you have to see the smile on her face that I see when she reads you guys' comments. So, okay guys, let me know, and we'll also let you know when it starts, when it ends, and hopefully I will try my best to make another video next week for you guys on Wifey Wednesday. So you guys have a blessed day, and thank you very much. Good night.